Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to talk about what's going on in Ladakh between India and China about land disputes and what can be the consequences if the war breaks out.
As we all know, China has always been trying to capture Ladakh and some regions under its control, and that military tension has always been there on the border. In late May, Chinese force objected to Indian road construction in the Galwan River Valley. The road was meant to help our Indian soldiers and Indian army for a better and easy transportation so that our soldiers do not have to walk all the way to the border. But the tension reached another level when a violent clash broke in the Galwan Valley on June 15th, in which our 20 Indian army personnel were killed. The Chinese side is also believed to have suffered casualties but has not given any details regarding it. As a matter, the things started to escalate very quickly, and due to which the Indian government tried to send a strong message by banning 59 Chinese apps on 29th of June 2020 and 47 another apps on July 15.
After this clash, a high-level diplomatic meetings were arranged between both the countries to calm things down, which resulted that both the armies were asked to take a step back from the disputed border. During this ongoing aggression on the field, the Indian Navy deployed its warships in the South China Sea for the precautionary measures so that the Indian Navy can retaliate from the other end too. Meanwhile, in the same month, the US aircraft carrier and warships were spotted in Indian Ocean doing joint naval exercise with Indian Navy along with Australian Navy and South Korean Navy. The reports also claim that US Air Force deployed its most powerful bombers near Indian Oceans for emergency situation. On 30th August, the Chinese military again tried to sneak into the Indian territory, but the intelligence report helped Indian Army to regain the Finger Four, as you can see in the map. The Finger Four is considered to be a biggest advantage for the Indian military because it is present on a height from where back the movement of the Chinese military.
There are very high chances of war breaking out. Everything depends on the scale of war. But as a matter of fact, India has already suffered a huge hit due to the lockdown situation, and the economy has drastically fallen down. According to sources and facts, from the month of March till July, around 15 million people have lost their jobs, and in month of August only around 40 million people have lost their jobs, and many people are forced towards the poverty line. And if the war breaks down, the situation might get worse. Thank you.